In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add location to your WhatsApp status. Adding your location to your WhatsApp status can enhance communication and safety by letting friends, family, or colleagues know where you are in real time. Now let's say this is the status you want to upload. You will have to tap on this sticker icon right here. Tap onto the location icon. You can either select on your previous locations or just search for your current location. Now once done, the location icon will show up. Tap on the share button to get public. Sharing your location can be a fun way to highlight places you're visiting or, for businesses, making it a helpful tool to promote events or services. That's how easy it is to share location to your WhatsApp status. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.